How to fix the issue where the Google Play Store is not working on your Android phone. So if you're not able to download apps or the Play Store's just not working in general, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this. Now the first step is you need to open up the settings on your Samsung, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Software Update. Now if you have the option to download and install, click on this and just go and install any outdated software. Once you've done this, come back over to the previous window. You could then scroll up and click on Apps. Now scroll down until you see Google Play Services and click on this. Click on Force Stop in the bottom right hand side and then go and press OK. You could then scroll down and click on Storage. Select Clear Cache in the bottom right hand side, then press Clear Data and click on the Clear All Data button and press Confirm. Now head back over to the list of applications and this time click on the Google Play Store. Click on Force Stop in the bottom right hand side and press OK. Scroll down and click on Storage, click on Clear Cache, click on Clear Data and press Delete. Now once you've done this, you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, come back over to the list of apps and click on the Google Play Store. Click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right hand side and click on Uninstall Updates. You can then press OK. Once you've done this, hold down the power button on the right hand side of your phone, click on Restart and then press the Restart button. Once your phone's restarted, the Google Play Store should now be working.